Hello students, today we'll continue with exercise 9.3. In this session we'll learn question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3, it's very similar to all the previous sums that we have done, that is multiplication. So there are 3 terms. So we'll follow the same rule, that is first sign, then number and then the variable. So all the terms are carrying the plus sign, isn't it? So we'll not give any sign. Now we'll multiply the numbers. So this particular term is carrying 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So the number part is finished. Now we'll multiply all the variables. So how many A are there? Here is 2, here is 22 and 26. So if you add up all those things, we will get 50. So A to the power 50. So this is your required answer of question number 1. Now let's see sum number 2. Sum number 2 is given in the fractional form, xy into minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. Now in this type of sum, what you will do is that you will bring these two terms, that is this fractional form, together. That is how to write 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Just bring these two together and keep all the variables like this. Okay, that means bring the variables together and the numbers together. Okay, now we will multiply. So what is the first rule? That is we have to multiply the sign, isn't it? So plus minus is minus. Now can we reduce this? Let's see, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Even this also we can reduce. 3 ones are 3, 3 6s are 9. So what is the answer? 3 ones are 3, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So this part is finished. Okay, now we'll multiply the variable. How many x are there? Here is 1x, here is 2x. So altogether 3. Here is 1, here is 2. So altogether how many y are there? 3. So this is a required answer of sum number 2. Okay, so let's see sum number 3. Sum number 3. Sum number 3 would be minus 10 by 3 p q cube into 6 upon 5 p cube q. Now what we have to do first? Yes, we have to bring this to fractional form together. That is 10 by 3 into 6 upon 5. And we have to bring those variables together. Like this. It's very easy, students. This is the into sign. Now first of all we have to do minus sign. We have to multiply the sign. So minus plus is minus. Now can we reduce this? Yes, we can. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are. So denominator is 1, so we will not write it. What is the numerator? 2 into 2, 4. Now we will multiply this variable. Here we have 1p and here we have 3. So altogether there are 4p. Here we have 3q, here 1. So altogether 4q again. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 3 of question number 3. Now let's see how to do sum number 4. Sum number 4 is also very easy, students. X into x square into x to the power 3 into x to the power 4. So there are how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. All the terms are carrying the plus sign and even all the terms are carrying 1 as a number. Okay, so plus 1 will not write it down. Just we will see how many x are there altogether. So here are 4. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 plus 2 is what? 9. And 9, this number is 1. So altogether there are 10x. So answer is x to the power 10. So this is the solution of sum number 4. Let's move on to question number 4. Yes, this is question number 4. This is the question and they have given some value of x. That is x equals to 3 and x equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Now the first thing that they have asked is that we have to simplify this part. I think I have written the incomplete question. This will be plus 3. Yes. Now this is the question and we have to simplify this. Now what is the meaning of simplify? We have to open the bracket. So what we have learned earlier, how to open it. Suppose if you are multiplying monomial term with the binomial term, what we have to do? this monomial have to be multiplied with this term first, and again we have to multiply this with this. So how to write it down? 3x into 4x. So this part is finished. What sign is out here? Minus. Now again we have to multiply 3x into 5. 3x into 5, and then we'll write this plus 3. So what is the product of this? Both the terms are carrying the plus sign, so it's okay. 3 4s are 12. X into x is what? X square. This term is carrying minus sign and this term is carrying plus sign, so minus plus minus. Now we'll multiply the number. 3 5s are 15 and only one x is there, so we'll write x plus 3. Okay, anything more we can do? No, as because there is no like terms is there. Okay, so we cannot add, we cannot subtract, as because addition and subtraction can only be done among the like terms. So there is no like terms. Now what is the first thing they have given? The value of x is 3. Now we'll write 1 out here. Okay, now the value of x is given 3. What we have to do with this value? We have to put this x value out here in this part. So first of all we'll write this 15x plus 3. Now we'll put the value of x. How to put? X value is what? 3. So we'll write 3 square. 15x means 15 into 3 plus 3. Now 3 square means, what is the meaning of 3 square? 3 square means 3 into 3. Now 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Now if you multiply this 3 thing, you will get 108 minus 45 plus 3. Okay, now we'll bring all the plus sign together. Okay, the digit which is carrying plus sign. So this is the digit which is carrying plus sign, and this is the digit which is carrying plus sign. So bring them together. 108 plus 3 and minus sign should be written on the extreme left, the extreme right hand side. So 108 plus 103 is what? 111 minus 45. So the answer is 66. Isn't it? So this is how we have to do the first sum. Okay, now for the second part, what is the value of x given? X equals to 1 upon 2. So again you will write this part. Again you will have to write this. So 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Okay, now in place of x you have to put 1 by 2. So how to do? Into 1 by 2. So you will write this. Okay, 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now 1 by 2 square means what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now this would be, answer would be 15 1s are 15, and 15 is carrying 1 as a denominator, so 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3. Now can we cancel this? Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So as I said, you have to bring all the plus digits together. So this is plus, this is plus. So 3 plus 3 minus 15 upon 2. So answer is 6 minus 15 by 2. Okay. Now from here, I guess you know what exactly you have to do. You have to do LCM. So what is the LCM of 1 and 2? 2. Okay. So if I divide 2 with 1, what is the answer? If you divide 2 with 1, what is the answer? 2. So 2 6 are 12. If you divide 2 with 2, what is the answer? 1. So 1 into 15 is 15. Exactly. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. So this is a solution of sum number 2 of question number 4. Now this is how you have to do the second sum, that is number B. Okay, first you have to simplify and then you have to put the values of A. Okay, let's do it. Now sum number B is what? Sum number B is A into A square. Inside the bracket we have A square plus A plus 1. Okay, and then it is written 5. So first we have to simplify it. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to multiply this with this, this with this, and again A with 1. So we have to write it down. A into A square. Plus sign is here, so I have written plus A into A into A, plus A into 1, A into 1 plus 5. Okay, so A into A is what? A3 A into A is what? A square. A into A 1 is what? A plus 5. So can we add anything? No, as because there is no like term. Now the first value of A is given what? A is equals to 0. Now we have to put 0 in place of A. So let me write the expression first. Now in place of A we have to put 0. Okay, so 0, 3, 0 square, 0 plus 5. So this all will be 0, because if you multiply 3 times 0, it will be 0 only. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. What is the answer? Answer would be 5. Okay. Now the second one. Value of A is given 1. Okay. Now we will again write the expression. Yes, so this is the expression. Now in place of A we will write 1. So 1 cube, 1 square, 1 plus 5. So if you multiply 1 into 1 into 1, what would be the answer? 1 only. 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 5. Now add it up. What is the answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. So see, so simple. Very, very simple. Okay. Now let's check out number 3. Number 3 is they have given a value as minus 1. Now this time we have to put minus 1, student. So first of all we'll write the expression. Now in place of A we'll put minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 plus 5. Okay, so minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. See, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So the product of this would be minus 1. So let's check out with this one. If you multiply minus 1 2 times, what will happen? Minus 1 into minus 1. So minus minus is what? Plus 1 1 is what? 1. So plus 1 is the answer. Plus 1. Okay. So now this 1 is carrying only minus, as the plus minus is minus 1 plus 5. Now bring all the plus sign together. Now let's solve this. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus minus is what? Minus plus is what? Minus. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Okay. Now 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Minus plus is what? Minus. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. Which sign is greater? Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Plus. So plus 4 is the answer. So simple. Okay. So today's assignment says question number 3 all and question number 4 A and B. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now submit your work in Google Classroom or in WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you and take care.